Hello everyone, we're here to learn more about derivatives. This time we're going to learn about the quotient rule. Okay, in order to learn about the quotient rule, we're going to need to find the derivative of this function. Okay, now we need to identify the following functions in order to make stuff much more simple. So we'll call this g of x is equal to x, and h of x is equal to the e to the x. And now we're going to find the derivative of each function individually. G prime of x is 1, and h prime of x is e to the power of x. And now, as the quotient rule states, g prime of x times h of x minus h prime of x times g of x divided by h of x to the power of 2. Now all we need to do is to plug in the following functions, the values. So g prime of x is actually 1 times h of x, which is e to the x, minus h prime of x, which is e to the x, times x, which is g of x, divided by e to the x bracket squared. This is simplified as e to the power of x minus x e to the power of x over e to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of x. And now for further simplicity, this is actually e to the power of x bracket 1 minus x over e to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of x. And now we can cancel out the e to the power of x's from the denominators. This will give us the solution bracket 1 minus x over e to the power of x. And this is the derivative of the function. Well done.